Operating temperature from negative 40 degrees to 125 degrees while using consumer electronic and electric
Hey,
vehicles.
it is almost the end of the month, and you are still way behind on your sales target. So when you are going to catch up?
I want to. I have not enough time. I need to learn about the connector and talking to the clients.
Excuse, all excuse. So why can't you be just like me?
Wow, it's awesome. You must have a lot of orders.
Just pretend I didn't say anything.